We just found the gem in the middle of the bush. Look at that. Realize that you are in a proper outback. That's it. Hey mate, what's up?
They're bringing it in here, are you?
No, I'm thinking of, should I get something here or go get a pizza for tomorrow?
Port?
Port, yeah.
Where you going?
Hostel. The hostel. I'm checking into a hostel. Yeah, man. I've never been in Port Macquarie, so that should
It's only
be an
20
adventure.
k's that way.
Yeah, I know,
Up
right?
Ocean Drive, 20 k's, you're in Port. Boy, mate, if you're going to Port, Port's place, Canoi, where you are, Lake Canoi, you want to go to Port. More to do in Port Macquarie.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. I mean, I don't know, but I assume that. So, what do you suggest? What should I do there?
Saying Port, if you want to go out and have a few drinks and that,
I'm not a big
Drinker?
but I mean, in terms of places that good to see in Port Macquarie.
yeah, heaps.
Do you know any?
Black gut, big bottle butt.
Is it a pub?
No, it's a big tree. It's like 200-year-old tree. You go and see the bottle butt tree
Oh, right.
in Port. You want attractions?
Yeah.
No?
I'm a tourist now. I'm a tourist
Oi,
from
mate,
Sydney.
I've had a few drinks. You don't want to be talking to me about. Oi, go to Port Macquarie. You don't want to stay here.
Yeah,
I live here. I've been living here 15 years, mate. You got the pub. You got the pub over here, the tavern,
Yeah.
and fucking Woolworths. That's it. We're in Port, mate. You have better nightlife in Port Macquarie.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
20 k's up the road. You gotta go 20 k's up the road.
I was heading, yeah.
Yeah. Oi.
Okay then,
I gotta go. I'm going home.
Cheers mate, all
Mate.
good. Have a good night.
You too.
Take care. He was a classic. Yeah, I'm just gonna go get a pizza tonight. I was thinking of getting some grocery, but nope. Let's go. Oops. Guess what? Whole bunch of camels again. I didn't know that there's this many camels in New South Wales. That's so interesting. Look. Hey guys, what's going on? Okay, I've never seen this many bats in one place in my entire life. Look at that. In Sydney, I know that every night they sort of travel from east to west or other way around, but I've never seen. I always see them in Sydney all over the place, but I've never seen this many. This is different, and they're big sized bats. But I never had any problem with any bat. They're very sort of shy, isolated type of birds. Are they birds or mammals? They're flying mammals. I guess so. So this is like every night, right?
Every night, mate.
Jesus. They're harmless though, eh?
They're harmless for all.
I wonder why they didn't blame us for Corona, right? Look at this. Yeah. probably should start eating them. They're big though, you know, if you see them from up front, they're massive. Look at that. I ended up checking in a motel in Campsie. Seems like a nice place. Let's see what we've got. It's good for $100. Actually, really good for $100. Oh, okay. So, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get a nice hot company, which makes me happy. Which something that makes any man happy. You know what I'm talking about, right? No, you don't. I'm talking about pizza. Yep, I'm gonna order a pizza. So, my date has arrived for the night. Domino's Godfather pizza with extra prawns on it. I love it. Can't wait to just feast on it. A great start for a great sunny day. My coffee. Cheers. Okay, so next stop is a nice place called Killeen Falls near Byron Bay. It's about 300 kilometers ride, and I'll see how I go. If I'm tired, I might just stop and have a rest on the beach or something. Yeah, just gotta make it fun. So I've got 50 Cent in my ear, listening to the music on the open road, sunny day, couldn't be better. And I'm gonna take you for a spin. Out of control. I got a bit panicked because I'm in the middle of highway and this is not actually me. I'm a mostly organized person, and but luckily there's a station in 16 kilometers, so I'll be fine. Like I said. says there's a service station here.
Service station.
Yeah, I got here and I'm like, it doesn't look like they've got petrol, but they do.
Yeah, man. You know what is the most crazy?
Huh?
You know what is the most crazy part?
Huh?
Like 2 months ago, I stopped here, and I think I never gonna come back again. It's a crazy place, like to stop to charge petrol.
Yeah.
And 5 minutes ago, sorry for my English, I boomed my oil, my
What?
pneumatic,
Really? What happened?
and I put the auxiliary Tulungata Gold Coast.
Oh, okay, yeah.
But first close to Byron Bay, like
Yeah, I'm headed there too.
yeah, it's pretty good.
You
And
surf, I see, huh? You
Yeah,
surf?
yeah, man.
That's
But
nice.
I'm not really good with the cars.
Hey, man, are you together?
Yeah.
bro.
Oh, how you fit 3 of you in here?
No, we're in the Toyota.
Which one?
The Hilux.
Oh, you gotta swap the car, mate. You've got a better one.
I know, but
Yeah,
he
How
got
come? It's the whole so
a flat tire.
You're the rich one, hey. That car is like 20 grand, and this one is like. No, I'm just joking, mate.
No, no.
I don't like your jokes, bro. No, it's okay.
He just got a flat tire.
Yeah, he told me.
You told everybody in
I thought
town.
everybody.
Are you guys? Where you from? Brazilian?
Argentinian.
There you go.
You?
You know what? People tell me all the time that then when I,
shit. No.
when they ask where I'm from, they always go with Brazilian, like Italian. What do you reckon? Where I'm from?
Show me.
Huh? Show my face. Oh, there you go.
You're from France.
Nope. You.
Fine. I have to hear a little bit more, but
Italian.
I'm loose.
Huh?
Italian.
Italian? No. Really? That's interesting. You couldn't tell anyway. You're not even close.
England? No.
Where?
Nah, England, no, you're English.
No.
First one.
No.
So you have another language, but I don't know. Man.
No.
Yeah, give me. Where are you?
Middle East.
Middle East?
But yeah, you gotta guess the country. That is interesting. No, I mean 9 out of 10 people can't tell.
Wow, so
Alright, I'm from Iran.
Iran?
Yeah, Persia.
Yeah, cool.
Iran.
Yeah, but I've been in Australia for about 10 years.
Yes.
I'm Australian. Hi guys, ciao. Okay, just got off the highway with a pretty solid 220k. I'm happy about it. Today is probably the day that I'm doing a good mileage. I have to catch up with the plan. Just got a few minutes to Killing Falls. Must be a nice place. Just gonna have a bit of fun and rest and head to Byron Bay. Pretty amazing. We just found the gem in the middle of the bush. Look at that. Just amazing. Unbelievable. I mean, unbelievable. Oh my god, amazing. The bottom is rocky, so you gotta be careful You gotta be careful when you're swimming. But other than that, I mean, like, the water is not so cold though. It's amazing. Gonna head to Byron Bay, having a peanut butter with jam and a nice piece of bread. This bread that I got for kangaroos, it got so handy. I kept eating it. I've got nothing to eat but this, so cheers.